Today we are going to create this. This is a step-by-step tutorial. You need the Saber plugin to create this project. You can download it from the link in the description. Now let's get started. Open After Effects and create a new composition. Let's call it Neon Theme. And I am using 1980 1080 resolution and 30 FPS per second. My duration is 5 seconds. And click OK. Now create a new solid layer and we will call it background. Make it same size as the comp. Now go to Effects and Presets, search for the gradient ramp. Apply it onto the layer. Now go to the gradient ramp. Now click on the swap colors and change the ramp shape to radial. Then go to the start color, change it to dark purple color. Now go to end color, change it to darkest shade of the purple color. Now click on this point and drag it down like this. Now create a solid layer again. Let's call it background particles. Now go to the Effects and Presets, search for the CC Particle Systems 2. Apply it onto the background particle layer. Let's change some settings. Go to the CC Particle Systems 2. Now change the birth rate value to 0.3 and longevity to 1. Now go to the producer. Then go to the first frame and click on this position stopwatch. Now move this point like this. Then go to the end of the timeline. Place this point like that. Now go to the physics. Change the animation to twirly. Now go to the velocity, change it to 0.1. Then go to the gravity, change it to 0. Now go to the particle. Change the particle type to star. Now change birth size to 0.1. Depth size to 0.9. Now increase size variation to 100%. Change the max opacity to 40%. Now change to birth color to purple. And death color to pink. Now it look like this. It's not good enough, I am forgot to apply some settings. Now go to producer again. Increase radius X and Y to 50. Wow, it's look nice. Now go to the Effects and Presets, search for the Gridler. Apply it onto the layer. Now change the horizontal scale to 10 and vertical scale to 10. Then decrease tile size to 1. Now go to the Particle Systems 2, then go to the particle. Let's increase max opacity to 50%. Now create a new text layer. You are free to choose any name you want. I am use this name. Then close text layer like this and press Y. Or click on this icon to select anchor point selection tool. Place its anchor point in the center of the text. Now scale like this. Now press Ctrl and Shift to align the text to the center. Now select the text layer and go to the layer option in the toolbar. Now select the auto trace and hit OK. This option create mask around the text. Now hide the text layer. Now go to the effect and presets search for Saber. Apply it to the traced layer. Let's change some settings. Open the Saber. Go to the customized core. Change the core type to layer mask. Now go to the render settings. Change composite settings to transparent. Now change the alpha mode to mask core. Now go to the Saber and change preset to neon. Then change color to pink. You are free to choose any color you want. Now go forward around 3 seconds in the timeline. Now we are going to create some keyframes. Then click on the stopwatch in the core size. Then decrease core size to 0. Now go forward around 4 frames again. And increase core size to 2. Again go forward around 4 frames, and decrease core size to 0. Again go forward around 4 frames, and increase core size to 2 like this. Again go forward around 4 frames, decrease core size to 0. Now go forward around 4 frames. Increase core size to 2. Then select the layer, press U to open keyframes. Now select all the keyframes, press F9 to ease them. Alright. Now I am going to the next step. Now close the Saber, go to the effects and preset, search for Gridler. Apply it onto the layer. Now change horizontal value to 75, and vertical value to 75. Now change tile size to 1. Wow, it looks good. Now go to the effects and preset, search for the Minimax. Apply it onto the layer. Now increase its radius to 2. Now select the auto traced layer and press Ctrl and D to duplicate the layer. Just rename this 2 layer like this. I am call it text 1 and text 2. Now go to the text 2 layer, open its Saber effect. Now change its color to gold. Now go to the core size, click on the stopwatch icon to delete the keyframes, and increase core size to 2. Now it's look like this. Now open the customize core. Now go to the first frame like this, go to the mask evolution, click on the stopwatch. Then go to the last frame, increase mask evolution to 5. Again go to the first frame. Then go to the start offset. Click on its stopwatch icon and increase it to 100%. Now go around 3 seconds like this. Decrease start offset to 0%. Now go 5 frames forward again, increase start offset to 100%. Then go to the last frame, decrease start offset value to 0%. Now select all keyframes, ease them as well. It's look very good. Now select these 3 layers, pre-compose them. I am call it text map. Now pre-compose these both layers as well. I am call it background map. Now I am going to the last step. Now create a new adjustment layer. Now go to the effects and presets. Search for the curves. Now create a curves like that. First I am trying to increase darkness of the layer. Now give small red touch to the layer. It's look very good. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. Please leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.